Hi everyone. So in this section of course Java unit testing with JUnit 5, we will discuss about how to integrate JUnit 5 with Maven. So friends, here we will simply create a Maven project. We will add the JUnit 5 dependencies and plugins, and then we will simply create a test case and run the test case using Maven. So friends, let's go to Eclipse and create a Maven project. So friends, in order to run JUnit 5 test cases in Maven, we'll first create a Maven project. So we'll simply go to File, New, and we'll go to Project. And here we'll simply type Maven. We'll select Maven project, do Next. So here in New Maven project pop-up, we will create a simple project. We'll do Next. In the group ID, I will give as com.hoverspot, and in artifact ID, we'll give JUnit 5 Maven. So this would be our artifact ID. We'll simply click Finish. So friends, here we have created one Maven project. If I open this project, then you can see that there are 4 folders. The src main Java for writing the source code for configuring this Maven project, src test Java for writing our test cases, and src test resources for providing the configuration file for our test cases. So friends, here we have created a simple Maven project. Here you can see which has group ID com.hoverspot, artifact ID as JUnit 5 Maven, and version as 0.0.1 snapshot. So friend, this is a simple Maven project. In our next lecture, what we'll do, we'll configure JUnit 5 dependencies and plugins to make this Maven project compatible to JUnit 5.